Hello again to my channel. This is Rico of Solo Board Gamer ng Tonto. So, the last time I played with this Voynich puzzle, I lost with the AI. Because the rules were not clear, so I have some mistakes that I have done. That's making the AI too much powerful, and I also reviewed the rules. There are some mistakes that I've done, so it makes that's the reason why I lost. So right now I will repeat this. uh, the normal, I will try this on normal, but at the end I could adjust the difficulty, since the only difference in normal and difficulty, in normal, whatever the score, that is the score. In hard difficulty, you will add to you will add plus 10 only on the score, on the final score of the AI. So again, so let's start with the game, so we can go. So I will go with astrology. I will put a star. Yes. Uh-huh. Yes, I will put a star. A star in... Star? Is that okay? Yeah, I think so. That's the only thing that I could do. Yeah, just put a star. Put a star. Hmm. That is the case. This is for... Hmm. Let me think first. Think. Okay. I'll put a star here. Yeah. With that, I can put a token on this. So I place... I place it here. So that gives me 3. Where's my knowledge tracker? Writing tracker. That's 3. I get a red. Yeah, that's a red. And then I place that red maybe here or here. Yeah, I think so. This is good. Oh, wait. So this red, I think I place it on O. Is there a letter O? So O will be here. Yeah. Yep. And place that magnifying glass there. And I can upgrade now. That's 2. Okay, so that's my turn. Now let's go with the Automa's turn. So he will do a I think he could not do this. This is recipe. You cannot do that. So let's go with writing. So that's writing. Okay, so writing, this is odd. Wait. That's too powerful. Here. Writing odd. Okay, so what's he going to do? Add Going to place a mark. So what is the... So the rules is whatever's the priority number, nearest lower number. So that's 27. So 28 is not. So the selection would be 22, the nearest lower. You place it there. So that means 1 point. And let's do with this one. So he does that. And flip. No. 1 point plus 1.2. Let's get to 3. Okay. So he flips now this one. So that's 1, 1, 2, 3. Again. So that's the score. 6. Okay. And I think that's it for him. Yeah, it's green. It's my turn. So I did a astronomy last time. So I will do a writing since I have read. Hmm. I could go with this one. Better to put a star. What you think, huh? Better to put a star. I'll put a star here. Or, wait. I could do this. How many more do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 6. If I put a star there, that will be 4. But I need a 6. Actually. Let me think. This one is removable already. I need this one. Okay, so I have no choice. I'll put this one here. So that's one here. Tada. And that's 4 points. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think that's my move. Yeah. That's my move. Okay. Now, it's his turn. So he will do a bat. He will upgrade this one. Okay. Now, so that's 2 points. But here, he will have blue. Okay. Then put a so 23 nearest point, this guy, and 2 more. 1, 2. Okay. He gains that one. So it means within the circle. That is can go with 0. O. Is there an O? Yeah, there's an O. Yep. So this one, it will score him. That will be 2 points. Okay. I could go again with star. So, Okay, let's put a star here. And set a Mm-hmm. This is good. I'll choose this. So that's 2 points for my this one. I get a yellow. Okay. Then I put the star somewhere. I could have played this one or that one to have more and place a another. Yeah, I think that's good. I place a star here. I will upgrade this one. So it means I got 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's another red for me. Yeah. And place a magnifying glass. What will be my next one? I need a red. Maybe here. Yeah. And here. I think that's okay for me. Now let's place my puzzles. Is there an O available? No O? Is there an L available? Yes, there's an L. Okay, let's put letter L on this side. Okay. Then since that's a new one, I can place it one here. I could upgrade. Huh? So this is 2 plus 2, 2. That's 6 points for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this will be upgraded. Okay, I think that's good. Now, let's go with this guy. He will do a writing. The writing is here. He will upgrade this one. Okay. Now, he will do to place 2. Okay, place 1 first. 28. This one. So, that is 2 points. Yeah. Place 1 more. Since it's the same, place it here. So that will be another point for him because of this. And another knowledge here. He doesn't gain anything. Wait, I forgot something. I need to place also this yellow. But let me look. Where should be that will be placed? I think the better one is here. Yeah. Is there an O? Yep, there's an O. Okay. Okay, so I did this one. What I could do right now is do this one. I need a star. Well, yes. But I need a I need this one. I'll push this. Yeah. I'll push it here. Here. So, gain 1. Then gain 2. Yes. And gain and move. 1, 2. I can move 1 and 2. And I can upgrade this one as well. Upgrade that. This will be removed. That will be 2. 1, 2. So did I gain any piece? No, I didn't gain any piece. But I upgraded my now it's his turn again. But so this is odd. This will be upgraded. Now let's go. He will do this one. That's 2 bat. Where's his bat? 1, 2. Place a token. Oops, that's his mine. So 19. This is not possible. So this one is possible. That's 2 points. 1, 2. He didn't gain anything. Okay. My turn. So writing, I will do this one. But I need something. I need red or yellow. What's the yellow? 2, 2? The problem with this one, there's no way I can put. There's a way. I'll get a star here. Or I'll get the star there. Okay. I'll choose this one. That's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And I get a star. And I need a binocular. Actually, I need a... I place it here. It means I put a star. Now, let me look. Which is the best one? I think this is good, but the problem, this is also good. But I need a star. Let me look. What will be the next upgrade? It needs 2. This is tricky. Where's my other one? Okay. Wait. So I need the binoculars actually. So I will go with this star here. So that's 2 knowledge points. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And I get 1 knowledge here. And I think I'm going to move it 2 spaces. That's 1, 2. Yeah. And that's okay. I can't do anything anymore. Now let's go with this guy. He will do a stars. Upgrade this one. Okay. Now, that's 2 stars for him. He get a yellow. Then move is the goat. That's 1 movement. That's good. Then goes here. Or here. M. It's only M. Yep, letter M is available. No. There's no M available. How about D? Is D available? A, B, C, D. Because M is not anymore available. So, we put D. D. There's no yellow D. How about C? Or I? An I. Is the I available? Yeah, there's an I. It will be placed here. So that's 4 plus 2. 6 points for her, for him. 3, 4, 5, 6 points. And that's it. Now, my turn. It's going too fast. You must go fast also. We go writing again. We go writing. Where is my other? Ah, okay. I'll select this one. I'll go with this. That's one knowledge. Okay, I got a red. And then that will be 2 magnifying. 1 is here. And this is quite tricky. And 1 will be here, because that is anywhere. Okay. And why put a star? This one. Star, star, star. Star on 45. It's what getting in your mind. That we can work it out. Never is the shout. Going ha 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 ha. I think I'll go with this one. That's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And place one more. Maybe here. Can I upgrade something? No, I can't. Yeah, I have a yellow. This is already finished. No. I have red. So yellow I don't have. So let's see it with the red. Oh, that's 3. It's quite challenging, my friend. I can place something here. Yeah, is K available? No. It's O available. No. It's H available? Yes, H is available. Put it there. Okay. And now it's his turn. So, botany section, even, odd. Upgrade this one. Okay. That's 3. Botany 3. Okay, then he gains a green one. Okay. And then up by 1. Yes, only this. The number is 1, so he go this way. So that's 1 point. And he gained the green one. You place it within a group. A group of greens. L is only available. So L will be 2. Yeah, 2. 2 points. Leading. Okay. So we have green. I need a yellow. But I need a red. If I'm going to flip this one, what will happen? That's 3, 4, 5, 6. If I will go to flip Where's the flip here? Ah! That's 2 flips. I can do that one. I'll do this one. I get a star from here, or I can move my goat. Yeah. Mm-hmm. It's quite nice. I'll select this one. Let me think. I'll get this one. Or, yeah, I get this one. And place it here. Okay. So, that's two flips. So, I flip this one. This become 5 plus 1 more. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another flip. I can flip another one here. Yeah, but I prepared this one. So that's 3. 1, 2, 3. A red. And then 1. This guy. And I can move up to 2. Aha. 1, 2. Okay. Now, I could go for D to upgrade this one. Is this the best choice? No. I could go here. Is D available? No. I need a G. Is G available? No. Is L available? No. It's I available. Yeah. I is available. J. J. It's J. Okay, J. Okay, that's good enough for me. Next is him. He cannot do this. He will do the recipe. He will do this one. So that's 1 victory point. And he'll put a marker without a star. Okay, so there's 2 point there without a star. So I think wait. Yeah. Let me look my select. How he select? Let me look. He will choose with the less 1 without a star here, and he plays this one 36. Huh? There's no number. Yeah, he will place it here. So that's 3 points. That's the turn. Now, I would go with the red one. This is now upgradable. I upgrade this one first. So that will be 3 points plus 6. That will be 8 points. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is upgraded as well, the final. So that is quite good. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a yellow for me. Put a star. And that's a good, also good. I'll put a star. I think I'll put a star here because I need that bat. Where's the star? One star here or one star here? One star here. That's one star. So put a bat token. I don't like to place it here, but I have no choice. 2 points for him. 1, 2. He gaining a bat token. Then for me, the bat 1, 2. Also gaining a bat token. Yeah, and move the goat for 2 times. 1, that's 3, 4, 7, 10. The 7, 3, 4, 7, 10, 14. 14 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that's another yellow. Okay. Now let me think. This is good. 2 yellows. Is there a letter L? I'll change this for letter L. Yep, there's an L. So I place 1 there. Is there a letter N? I need the letter N. Yeah, there's an N. Or D. There's no D. N is available. Or G. Is there a letter G? Yeah, there's a G. I'll place it here. Okay. That's good for me. Now, oh, wait. I need the blue also. So let's see what blue I can do. This one. Is there letter B? B. Then I place this one here. Okay. So those are all for me. And then let's go with the guys here. So he has a blue. Later, now we will do a this is a star. even, okay, so it's a star. He will place a star. 16. So the nearest one is this one. Here. He will place a plant. Here. Gain 3. Where's her, here. 1, 2, 3. Did he gain something? Yes, he gained something. So this will be placed near, maybe K. Is there a K available? Yeah, a K available. Yep. So he will score. That's 2, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's good. Now, my turn. I could go with the writing. Yeah. So I'll upgrade this one. So that will be 2 plus 4, 7. 7 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be upgraded as well. So now I can put something here. But this is the problem. Instead of doing that, I could do this. I need a yellow. I need to move yellow. Mellow yellow. I need a star again. I get the star and place it somewhere else. Technically, these are goods. Yeah. I place a star here. So that's one magnifying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. That will be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And movement of 2. One, two. And I think that's all for now. Okay, his turn. He could not do stars. He could do writing. Even. So this will flip. I add. This will flip here. So he needs to place something. So what is the 29? So he will place it here. So that's 1 point. And 1 knowledge. Where is his knowledge here? He gains a red. Yeah. And flip. He will flip this one first. No. He will flip the first one. That's 2. And 2 points more. That's 1 more point. And he will place this on. Is D available? Yeah. So that's 4 points. D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like he's in a hurry. Hurry. I need something to score. Let me think. I need something that will go to the bat. Only this. I need something that will go to the bat. I know. I could upgrade this one first. Yeah. Upgrade this one. So this becomes... But I need a yellow. So that's 1, 2, 3. I need a yellow. Okay, I think this is good. I'll move this one. That's 4. Where's my son? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. I will get this one and put it. Put it here. Yeah. And I will get my leap to put it here. And that will give me 3. So let this movement now. 4 points for the bat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, did I move him for 2 points? Yeah. So another one. 2 points again. I got 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a blue. Okay, and another one. So that's 2 points for him. But 8 points for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's another blue. And since this will move, I'll choose this first. So that's 2. 2 points. That's a blue for him. Just give him a marker to remind me. There's another 2 for him. Yeah. And this one, that's 2 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's 8 for me. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And movement of the cow. So 2 movements. So this is 4 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. Where's my star? That will be 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. And another one. This will be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's another yellow. Aha. So I can assemble my yellow pieces. Okay. Is there an N available? I have no choice. Put it here. So I need blue. What are the blues? Blue, 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 blue. GH. It's GH available. G and H. And now it's his turn. So, okay, stars. Starry night. Writing. He will not do writing. But odd. Okay, let's go. 4 bats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. What's the number? 21. This one. So that's 2 points for me. 1, 2. Again a blue. Another one. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's another blue for him. And then clean water. This guy. Move 2 spaces first with the 21. I think this is it. 1, 10. 10 botany. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a green. And then this will push. So again, this 2 will push again here. That's 2 for him. 1, 2. That's 6 for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this will push again. Here. 2, 2. That's 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And then this will push here. So it's 1, 2 again for him. But 4 for me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's another token. 2 bats token. This is finish. No? This is quite a big score for him. So, first blue is M available. Yep, M is available. So, that's 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's D available. Yep. So, that's another 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Green. It's D available. Yep. That's another 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's nearing. I need to move fast. So I got 2 blues. I could go with this one. Where's my botany? Oh no! Botany is still there. The drops. Or this one. This one. 2. Upgrade this one. That's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll get a star. This one. I put it here. Okay, so let's put water here. 4 and 4. 8. That's 8. Okay. And then movement of 2. That's 1. Okay. 1, 2. Shit. Or I could do this 4 and 3. That's much better. Yeah. 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus 4. And I can upgrade this one again. Yep. That's my movement. And I can place blues. IE. I and E. Is he available now? Is he available? No? C is available. Is E available? No. Is J available? He will go with writing. I hope he would not score. That's 26. This will be upgraded. He'll place 2. Now more here. Plenty there. Okay, so he cannot do anything here. So he will just take another one. 19. So this will not be upgraded. You will take 1 from this pool. 39. So that's 6 bat points versus bat. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's a green. No, it's a blue. Replace it again in a 4. Is C available? No. It's I available. It's E available. M is available. Nope. So it's only A, L, I. I is available. So this is 6. That triggers the end of the game. 54. Okay, so it's now my turn. This is my last turn now. I think I make the most out of it. The bat is already okay. I think I move my botany much further. Wait. I should mark first here. So I cannot go with the recipe. No recipe for today. I should move my botany much more further. I could go with stars. I could go here. Just put a star there. What are my highest scoring? This one. This one. I could go with stars. Yeah. I think so. Where's my star? Is the star is bright? And what kind will make the stars go bright? Here. That's 10 points. Yeah. I think I'll do this one. But I need this one also. But I need a red one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 5 movement. But I must upgrade this. I need this. This is quite hard, my friend. I could not understand. Or I can upgrade this one. Okay, I'll upgrade this one right now. So this is 4 and 3. That will be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. And upgrade this. Yeah. And put this tile. Yeah, I think this is good. I put a I move this. I'll choose this one. I place here and then move one. Place another one. I select this one. Then upgrade. Then that will be my final turn. Which will be upgrade. That will be 7. Again. No, I could place it here. Uh no. There's no point. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's my final turn. I'll close my book. Now let's pray. So he will do a no, I cannot do this. A bat. He will upgrade this one. Okay. So put 2 on 24. There it is. So this will be removed. That's 2 points for me. Bat is 2 points. That goes nothing anymore. I will take something here. And that's it. Did he gain some? That's 2. 1, 2. And he doesn't have any more. And that's the final. This remove. Okay, let's go with the scoring. This is 4 divided by 2. That's 2. 1, 2. So let's open up my scoreboard. Okay, let's score first. Mine. Star. Where's my star? This is my star. So that's 10 points each times 2. That's 10, 20 points. 20, 68. Okay. My bat. Where's my bat? That's 10 points each. So that's 10 times 4, 40 points. That's 108. Yeah, 40, 4 and 60. Is that correct? 4, 60. That's 60 points. 108. And then, no score for writing. Sorry. Botany. No score for botany. Sorry. I forgot. And another score, I will choose, of course, the bat. That's another 20 for me. So 8 will be 28. So this is my final score. Let's go now to him. So let's see with the normal. So star, that will be, where's the star? There's the star. Let's remove this one. So this is not needed anymore. Where's the star? Okay, so there's no point for the star. Bat. Where's his bat? There's his bat. So that's 20 points. 74. Next one. Writing versus writing. No points for writing. Botany. That's 2 times 2. That's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're done with botany. No. Let's go with the final. So we will not yet remove that. So what is the highest? Botany or the writing? Writing is here. Botany is there. So that's 2 again. 1, 2. Let's go with the hard. So that's plus 10. 84 or 94. Because hard mode, in hard mode, it says here, I will just add in hard, boy needs gain 2 overall knowledge for each of his token on board. He has 2, 4, 6, 8. I just given a 10. It should be 8 only. That's 92. And then he adds up the score from his page, the same way as anyway, but he doesn't gain points for his research token on the board. He won't have any. So that's his final score. If I choose very hard, it should be set up at the beginning. So the beginning, you will upgrade very hard. If you choose very hard, you will upgrade 2. It's here. If you choose very hard or string, if you choose very hard or string, progress once up to left side card of botany bar double page, as well as to right side of astrology writing. Check final scoring. Yeah. If you choose very hard and extreme, you choose very hard or extreme, you immediately progress to left side card of botany and bat double page, as well as one of the 2 sides of this astrology and writing. So that is for the very hard and extreme. So if you choose very hard, you will upgrade the pages and plus 8. If you choose the extreme, you upgrade 2 pages and plus 5 plus times 4, that's 20. So 2 times 4, that's 8. 5 times 4, that's 20. Yeah. And that's it. So final score is 128 and 92. So I win this game. The difficulty is hard. Next time I maybe will try. Maybe my next video will be on. We will continue our session for Marble Champions. Will be the next challenger will be Captain Marble. Yeah, that will be good. I will set up my board on the next session for that one. But for now, this is the final state of the board. And again, thank you for watching my playthrough, and I win the game. And again, this is Rico of Solo Board Gamer ng Tondo saying goodbye for now.